everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video, we will be seeing how to draw trend lines with candles high as well as candles low. Sounds interesting, right? How this is helpful, let's see in this episode. Afterwards, we will be jumping on PrimeXBT exchange. On this platform, there is an opportunity to reduce your fees. Trade like a VIP from day 1 with PrimeXBT. Enjoy 30 days VIP too. Up to 70% discount on trading fees. Let's see each and everything in detail. First, let's check out how we can draw trend lines. What is actually candles high indicates. Candles low and candles highs are very much important, guys. If candles low is formed, it means sellers was ended there and it means reversal has been happened. In concept of candles high, buyers are ended over here and sellers are continuing the trend. So these 2 points are indicates that buyers and sellers activity. Okay, now let's understand what is the difference between drawing trend line with candles closing as well as candles high and candles low. Let's first of all draw with candles high only. Okay, let me connect trend line with candles high. You can check here. First candles high is connected, second candle high is connected, and third candle high is connected. Okay, while you see this connectivity over here, let's say first connectivity, second connectivity, third connectivity. So this is actually working great over here. When you draw with the base of candle closing, here we go, you will get some of traps over here. But when you go through the candles high, you will get clear indication that, for an example, you can check here, price has not directly tested the candles high and gone down. When it's tested, it is showing some bullishness over here. If price sustain more time, we can see a up movement from this level. This is just one example how candles high and lows are very much important. Here we go. This candles low, first of all it is formed, afterwards reversal is happened, and on next attempt candles are directly gone to this level and tested and bounced up back. If you connect the support and resistance like this, you might be getting a good and clear indication that price is coming to the reversal point. Okay, that is reversal is going to happen. We won't get proper signals when we connect levels like this with candles closing points, but when we connect these candles low and candles high, clear signal over here. This is very simple and easiest process to follow up the candles low, candles high. Now you can check how actually these candles high and candles lows are giving us a proper signal. First we just draw this level. Okay, afterwards market to come. When it reaches at the point of candles low and shows some signal, then candles rally has been started over here. Now in this case we have new low, so we can set our new low like this. So this is our first new low. Okay, now next time it might happen, if price comes down, it has chances to reach new candles low because it has now updated level like this. This one is the updated level, this is now outdated level. So go through the updated levels to understand how actually market is performing. For now we have updated candles high is this level 110627. Okay, and updated low is 98103. There is possibilities price can move in between this level, this one and this one. So with technical analysis, we might see some correction in BTC as per the candles high and candles low. With this way, you can simply spot candles high and candles low and check how actually chart works for you. Now let's take a look on PrimeXBT crypto exchange. On PrimeXBT, you can trade multiple things on one place. Crypto, forex, indices, stocks, commodities, all things can be traded on PrimeXBT. If you go through my invite link, you can eligible for 20% deposit trading credits. Apart from this, you can eligible for VIP too. This is exclusively for new users. Trade like a VIP from day 1 with PrimeXBT X amitandcrypto. This may be applied for the new users like I said. Explore now and see it is right for you. Link is mentioned in the video's description. VIP 2 benefits include up to 70% lower trading fees on crypto, maker 0.01% and taker 0.015%. Reduced rates by up to 30% on forex, commodities, indices. Priority support, faster withdrawals and higher transaction limits. Why PrimeXBT? Operating since 2018, trusted by millions across 150 plus countries. countries. 100 plus payment options are available. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purpose only. It does not contribute financial advice. Please do your own research before you join any crypto products or trading crypto products, right? You can create your account on PrimeXBT to explore this kind of products. Once you create your account, here is the options to create your multiple wallets. If you want to trade crypto, commodity, stocks, or all things can be done here. Simply click on wallet and check what kind of options are available. Here is options like deposit, withdraw, transfer, exchange. Okay, in trading accounts you have two options, real and demo. Click on new account and check what are the options available. PX Trader. PX Trader is applicable for trade gold, forex, stock, indices, 100 plus other markets. Leverage up to 1000x. This is for gold, oil and other forex indices section named with PX Trader. For crypto futures, crypto trading for experienced users, take a fee from 0.02%. Deep liquidity, advanced trading tools are available. Copy trading feature is available where you can copy masters. Once you create your account, after hitting the new account and crypto futures, you will see the options on the top: PX Trader, crypto futures, copy trading and reward sections. Link is mentioned in the video's description. Simply create your account and start exploring with PrimeXBT. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.